Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Originally the plan was to check out some monkeys and waterfall today, but that will have to wait until next video because I have something much more important to tell you today. I got my first fan mail. So I got a box from Thailand, not even Taiwan, from Thailand. And inside it says it's coffee, candy and snacks. But it's a heavy box, so I cannot eat all of these snacks by myself. So I'm gonna go and find someone that can eat it with me.
Hello, welcome.
So we're here in my little studio today for the first time. Which also happens to be Francois' apartment.
Yeah.
And for the first time, I received a fan mail. I've been getting a lot of other packages, like the micro SD card from Transcend. Thanks again for sending that over, and it has been really useful. But this time is the first time a viewer has actually seen my videos, realized that I like snacks and coffee. So they sent this pack all the way from Thailand. It's they have a company called Thai Snack Online. They sent this box. The box is called Sawasade, which means hello in Thai. So what they have is a subscription service. So you could actually subscribe to get these snack boxes regularly. So we're gonna open this up. We're gonna show you everything that's inside. We're gonna try it out and see what we think about this. So this will be a little review. We usually don't eat anything. I'm a little bit against eating and like food reviews in general, but if someone sends something to me, I will definitely open it up. So if you want to send something as well, you have my email address down in the description. You just reach out, send me an email or contact me on Instagram, direct message, ask for my address. I'll send you the address. You can send me some stuff and I promise that that will make the next video. Oh look, we even have a message. Happy snacking, Lucas. And they also list the different flavors we're gonna have, I guess we're gonna have in this box. So it's a little spicy, very sweet, very salty and very sour. That sounds perfect.
Some fish strips. Just what you like, Lucas.
Some fish strips. Okay, barbecue flavored. Barbecue. I think that was in this video actually. If you barbecue something, doesn't matter what you barbecue, anything that is barbecued tastes delicious. We have some rice ball cuttlefish flavor. Yeah, I'm not.
A lot of seafood.
Lot of seafood. They have a lot of seafood in Thailand. May contain milk and fish. Interesting mix. What else do we? Oh, this one I know I'm gonna like. This is Pocky Choco Banana flavor. This is more like it. Tropical coffee. Have you had these?
I think once or twice.
Yeah, I love these. Really? I know I love these already. Tropical coffee shot. Love this. Thank you so much. Love coffee. Here. This looks like chips. If I know my logos correctly, it's Lay's chips. I don't know how to say Lay's in Thai, but the flavor is Miang Kam Krobros flavor.
My favorite.
And this, I see a photo of a coconut and durian. Durian, what do you think about durian?
I hate it to the point I want to throw up. So it's anything could happen.
Crispy mangosteen chips. We just came back from the Philippines. If you haven't watched that video, you can click up there. We actually had mangosteen. It was quite good.
Really good.
Yeah. And last but not least, here we have the coffee. 5 different flavors. Super rich cappuccino, condensed milk, mocha, and espresso. They all sound delicious. Francois?
Yeah.
Do we have 120 times 5 milliliter of hot water?
Yes. We have.
We're gonna start with mixing the coffee so we can drink the coffee while eating all these other snacks. So Francois is gonna start making some hot water for the coffee, and I'm gonna
Prepare the studio.
prepare the studio. Super hot. This is way too hot. Usually I drink iced coffee, so I'm not really used to drinking hot coffee, but maybe we should just wait a little bit. Okay, we'll come back to this coffee. So what do we start with?
I would say fish stripes.
Okay. And oh my goodness.
You can smell the harbor.
Oh, it's all over the table now. Oh my goodness. I don't understand any type of fish chips or fish candy smells more fish than actual fish. Right? Like, I don't understand. Like, they must add the smell like later, and it doesn't make any sense because it's just not pleasant.
Okay, cheers. Enjoying, Lucas?
Where's the barbecue though?
It's a strong fish smell, but
yeah, it smells terrible. Snacks that taste fish. And same with like seaweed. Who eats that as a snack, you know?
whole country against you now.
If you like fishy stuff, definitely check this out. It's just like the whole stinky tofu with West again. Like, it has a very, very strong flavor, which is a good thing if you like it. But if you don't like a specific flavor, then if it has a strong taste of it, that's not a reason for why you would like it more. That's just like you would not like it that much. We're trying to move forward here in this video, but Francois keeps going back to the fish sticks. I was gonna see...
Yeah, a bit more.
They have a lot of... Why would they have so much fish snacks? It doesn't make any sense. It all tastes like fish, no?
I didn't have lunch, by the way. So this is my lunch.
So I think that they were better than what I gave them credit for. Next one, cuttlefish flavored rice balls.
Cheers. Not sure where the squid is, but it's pretty good.
That was my exact same thought. This is good, but like,
yeah, I think the cuttlefish got lost in Thailand. You know what it reminds me of? My cereals. Like, I would put this in milk and eat it.
how many stars? We've got stars. Anyway, more stars than
Yeah.
that one. We need to speed this up a little bit. I feel like we cannot finish everything. This is not how you do a food review, Francois. You need to be more professional.
I'm hungry.
Let's continue with some chips. I smell
No fish.
no fish. Lime. Lime
It reminds me of the lime that you spread on the fish.
in comparison to what other kind of lime? It's the same lime, no?
It's the same lime, but like this particular flavor, I know it from when I eat fish on top of which I spread lime. Anyway, it's good.
Yeah, fish and lime. Crispy mangosteen. It smells a little... Do you know Play-Doh?
Yeah, it smells like something you're not supposed to eat.
weird smells on this food. But it's good so far, so I still hope that this is good.
It's not bad.
It's definitely not bad. Kind of tastes like a little bit of sour plum or something. I don't know. I suck at food. That's why I don't eat food in my videos. And Francois is back to the fish chips. That's 5 stars right now. One more unknown thing left, and it's the durian chips. We both know how durian tastes like.
I hate it to the point I want to throw up. So it's anything could happen.
It smells like coconut.
Yeah, it smells like coconut. I cannot smell the durian.
So it's durian chips with coconut powder. And it smells only like coconut, and I love it. And it's really, really good. First thing that actually smells great and tastes coconut. Now we deserve some Pocky. Chocolate banana chocolate.
The banana flavor is very strong.
Pocky in general, amazing. Chocolate in general, amazing. Banana, amazing. I love sweets. I love sweets. Definitely number one. And then, have you had these?
I think you gave some to me a long time ago.
I have. My dad loves these. It's just so good. It tastes like coffee. Coffee shop classic. I know they have these in cappuccino flavors as well. If you love coffee, definitely recommend these. These are so good. Strong coffee flavor. So good. Everything was delicious. Highly recommend getting one of these boxes actually. Me personally, I would not take the fish strips, but Francois has finished it all anyway, so everything else, really, really good. Huge thank you to Thai Snacks Online for sending this over. And this was the Sawasti box. If you check out their website, Thai Snacks Online, they have a bunch of different boxes. They have a subscription service if you want to check out a bunch of different boxes, getting it sent out to you automatically. Or you can also go and order individual items. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them on social media. I'm not getting paid for promoting this anyway. They just sent it to me. I'm super thankful for people sending me stuff, so I just wanted to show it off to you. Highly recommend it, except the fish sticks. Hope you liked this video. Not gonna eat anything else until we reach 10,000 subscribers. Then we're gonna have a Swedish food challenge. I'm gonna hope to invite a bunch of different YouTubers who is gonna help me with this challenge. So if you wanna see that, please help me by liking this video, share to a bunch of friends so we can reach 10,000 subscribers. And I'm gonna show you, hopefully we can get hold of surströmming, which is one of the most smelliest dishes on the planet. It's gonna be tough, but it's also gonna be an amazing video, and I hope that all of my friends here in Taiwan will join me. I'm gonna force Francois to join me, even though he may not look forward to it. It's gonna be great, so please help me, push me over to 10,000. We're gonna make it happen. Until then, I hope I see you next week. Next week, Francois has promised me some monkeys and waterfalls here in Taipei. So we'll see how that goes. Hope I see you next week.